Hello everybody and welcome to Tech in 5 Minutes. Today we are talking about the product marketing plan. Keep watching to know how to create a plan that leads you to success. On our channel, we share thoughts on recent developments in the tech industry. Subscribe not to miss new videos. Let's start. Product marketing plan sets the objectives for promotion and describes ways to achieve them, and is usually limited within a given period because all marketing plans have to be rewritten or revised at some point. What is the difference between a product marketing plan and a product marketing strategy? Well, words like plan and strategy are often used together or even interchangeably, and you still need both, and it's best to approach them from different angles. So what is product strategy? It is a singular vision you have for the product. A product strategy is a high-level plan describing what a business hopes to accomplish with its product, and how it plans to do so. A product marketing plan describes specific actions that should be taken to achieve the main objectives set in the strategy. The marketing plan defines methods for reaching customers, describes involved marketing mediums, has a section dedicated to tracking and measuring, and describes the team's involvement. The product marketing plan is usually written by a marketing team together with a product manager. In case you're interested to know the difference between a product manager and a project manager, follow the link in the description box. What is the structure of a product marketing plan? Well, for a plan to be clear and correct, it should start from a macro analysis of the industry and gradually zoom into smaller aspects. Watch further to know about the must-have elements of a marketing plan. The first element is marketing audit. This section is dedicated to analyzing the business climate. For the analysis of the macroeconomic environment, you can use the PASTEL framework, which analyzes relevant macroeconomic factors that will influence your product marketing. Among the PASTEL framework's driving forces are political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and legal aspects. The second element is microeconomic environment. While at macroeconomic analysis, you review inflation, unemployment, interest rates, GDP. At microeconomic analysis, you need to look into your competitors, market demand, supply, and market size. So what do you think? Which type of analyses are more important for your business? The macroeconomic or microeconomic? Drop a comment right now. The third element is customer research. We always recommend our clients to perform this one at the very beginning of the project. And there are 3 different types of customer research, such as demographics, such as age, gender, income, social status, and employment. Behavioral analysis, when you research the audience's needs and motivations. And field experiments, when you monitor the way your target audience behaves in places they often visit. The fourth element of a marketing plan is competitive analysis. To write a competitive analysis, you have to define your main competitors, explore the competitive products, define their main marketing strategies, and research competitive content strategies. The next element is SWOT, the analysis of strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It is a great summary of everything you've learned while making the software marketing strategy. The next section is marketing strategy. The marketing strategy section covers actual strategies to be included according to the marketing mix. The strategy centers on the traditional 4 P's of marketing: product, price, place, and promotion. We also recommend describing marketing activities, a list of any actions concerning marketing goals that are scheduled for the period and the indicated timelines. Also, list KPIs to be tracked. And finally, we at Jelvix include marketing budget to find all finances to be spent on marketing campaigns. This video was prepared by the Jelvix team. Jelvix helps top brands worldwide to innovate and accelerate digital transformation. We provide world-class enterprise software engineering, design, and technology consulting services. Find our contact details in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. We share the insights of product strategy, so make sure to subscribe not to miss a single video. And don't forget to press the bell button. Bye for now.